Today we're going to Harborland.
Hi guys, it's Harvard.
Before you leave, don't forget to like and follow our page. First, we need to take off our shoes and put on non-slip socks. There are a lot of things to do here. Make a climb up on soft stairs. There are also nets to climb on. There are spiral slides, where I like the most. They have American Ninja jumping mats. Yeah, also have hanging rings. I also played in an airsoft gun. It is powered by air pressure. I enjoyed playing. I put the ball into the hole and just press the button. I also tried shooting at it. This place is so much fun. If you're still watching, thank you for your support. It means a lot to us.
Good job, Sid.
I also climbed the highest volcano. I'm proud of myself. I'm able to do it. It feels amazing. They also have bike lanes. This one's pretty hard. I cannot do it myself. I also tried moving along different pathways. I tried stick bridge, foam bridge, and zigzag bridge. I was a little scared in a bumpy slide, but it's all right. That I have this game that you can shop and hit the target on the monitor. One of the best stations. Here is the tub slide. We do this by taking the tub on top and we will write down writing on it. Yippee! This is fun! That was exhausting. Need a refill.
Okay. You hungry?
Thank you for watching.
Eat your food now.
Don't forget to like and follow our page.